Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's October 27th, 2023. Welcome to Mudfest. We had some more rain just a little while ago, just let up. I did some work in the workshop until it let up. And today I'm going to try and move some more trees from over there. I've got a peach over there, I've got a Bartlett pear, and a couple more apples. I'd like to get those 4 trees up over in here. As you can see, I'm completely burying, the tracks are completely sinking in all down in here, as they do down here as well. And I'm really making some big mud holes over there, but I did I roughed out some of the really rough stuff that was over there in the second food forest. But I really want to get a few more trees transplanted before, while they're dormant here in the fall. And that's going to be a bit of a challenge, especially with this being so rainy and muddy here and me moving so much earth during this time. I'm real happy we got quite a few trees moved so far, and these are pretty good sized trees. Thank God for having Elon, the Takushi TB290 excavator. That 3-foot bucket and the thumb really help out a lot with transporting these trees over different distances, because some of the trees came way down from the first food forest that were just too close, and a lot of them I'm just reshaping some of the groundwork over in the second food forest. So I'm going to get started. See if I can get something accomplished before the next downpour. Here we go. Well, I got quite a bit done today. I'm pretty happy with that. All of this area here is all done earlier, well, within the last few days. And boy, it's just so muddy, and I had to move a lot of the mud a couple of times. And that has been real work, and you can't run over the spot afterwards because you sink out of sight. The places where the flags are here, that'll be pawpaws going in here, but these trees are all ones that I got moved. Some that were a little bit damaged, like this apple tree here was right up in, you can actually see some of the persimmons up there potentially. That was with the big persimmons there. It was like 4 feet away from the persimmons, and that was not working at all. But got the rest of these up in here. Let's see, about 5 more apples I did. A peach, persimmons. We have here another persimmons there. Another apple, a pear, Bartlett pear, another apple there, another big peach over there. So that's pretty good for the day, and I got a lot more earth and mud moved. It's nowhere near where I can smooth things out because I sink in too badly. But I got the rest of the earth moved that I had scalped out from the swale mound. Work my way around the swale over there. Probably can't see so well. But next year I'll try to bring this up to a nice gentle slope coming right up to this area here. And then plant all in this area here. I'll replant the area over there next without the mound next to the swale there. And I think the service berries will come up in here in the springtime. That's what I'm thinking. I've got enough room around the trees in here, so I'll be able to mow around them. So, and the storm clouds are moving in now. So that's it for today's video. Just more work up here, transplanting trees. They're pretty good sized trees. And one of the ways I'm finding to move it with the Elon, the excavator, it's got a 3-foot excavation bucket with the teeth on it for digging dirt, and I've got the thumb. I can use that thumb to go right down alongside of it. But the wider the canopy is on the tree, the more of a challenge it is, the more limbs you break, that sort of thing. So it's a challenge, but I think with pruning them and giving them a chance, I think they're going to turn out okay. They came from places that were just too tight together. Like this tree was just right up against the persimmons there, and it had a honey locust, so just right next to it as well. Okay, enough for me saying this stuff. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for your comments. Next year, I think this will start looking much better. Right now, without all the foliage on it, looks kind of crappy. Thanks so much. Take care of yourselves and stay healthy. Bye-bye now.